Okay. Please put a done or complete in the chat if you guys are complete. If not, if you're in flow, stay in flow, keep rocking, right? Just keep listing. Now, what this is doing is painting the picture of getting clear on what you love, what you don't love, very simply, and all the things that you don't love, but they're important. We're going to figure out a system. So this is called either delegation, this is called Systemise, some kind of strategy or process to still fulfill these low priority tasks, but in a way that doesn't take away from your highest priority tasks, which is your values. So this can take time. This isn't going to happen right now, but it is probably one of the most fundamental aspects of it, because this will free up time and space and consciousness, resources, energy, free up energy for you to focus more on your highest values. By delegating, by systemizing, guess what? You're going to be happier. You're going to have a high level of creativity. You're going to be able to earn more money in your business because you'll feel more aligned. You'll be able to be more with your kids and family and friends. So I hope you guys are seeing here, this is so important. Imagine if the whole world did what they loved, right? Because there's things that I don't love doing, like cleaning, or you say cleaning or cooking. I can like them and I am good at sometimes, but they're not highest on my priority. So it's like, but there are people that are amazing chefs, they're amazing cleaners, and they love it. So it's like, well, maybe I'll find a team that can do that for me and I can pay them. And it's going to give me more time to focus on higher priority tasks. And it's actually going to earn me more money long-term because I'll be focusing on these income producing activities, so to speak. So this is really, really important. Just put it on in your diary, write it on your piece of paper on a pen, somewhere it says delegate or systemize. Delegate or systemize. This is going to be that jump when we're looking at, our earning brackets as we're jumping into different levels of earning within our own income and our own budgeting and our own money. There needs to be a different structure and a different order. And so it might be weird to actually leverage or outsource and delegate these things. But when you do it, you'll add more value to the world pretty much. And, finding people that love doing the things that you don't, they will be fulfilled too. So the world's a better place as a result of us delegating and systemizing. So hopefully this is making sense. Please put a yes into the chat if this is making sense. And don't worry, I'm not saying you should get this done in the next 30 days or next 3 months, maybe the next 6 to 12 months. If you could delegate these tasks and systemize them, your life will be free to do more of the energy fulfilling tasks that you love.